Here is our bird visiting the bunny. Bunny's not quite sure what to think about that.
Mama, lick me.
Hold on, baby.
Hurry.
Well, she's probably going to scare the bird. There he went.
Hold on, Mommy.
Peanut, no. Oh, he's back. Rabbit's not quite sure to think. He thinks it's a new toy to play with. No.
Mama, look this time. Hurry up.
Okay.
Hold on a minute.
I'm holding on. That is Mr. Spock in the
Yeah.
cage.
I'm scared.
Audrey, look at Mama. There's I can't see because of the light right behind you. Hang on. Let me come around this side. There she is with a bird on her head. Audrey, you have a bird on your head. That's really funny looking. Oh. He likes Audrey's head. He likes to sit and pick through her hair for whatever reason. Doesn't he, Audrey?
Not really.
He does.
I think I'll do it for my routine so I can get cookies.
He's still very focused on the bird. Peanut. Go on. Go. Go lay down. Go. Peanut. Go. Go. Audrey, you stay here. I don't want him to go. Go. Go lay down.
It's not for him.
Not for you. Sit. Sit. Peanut, sit. Stay. Good boy. Anyway.
What the?
Back to Mr. Spock. Here's Mr. Spock. I'll have a video of him running around doing his flips in a little while. Oh, there's all those yuckies in the corner. There's Mr. Spock. Here's Jack Frost. He thinks he's a dog. He likes to come up and have you pet his little nosy. I like that, don't you? Do you like that? You do. You like your nose scratched. This is Anthony's funny. He likes to lick a lot too. He's so goofy. He's very pretty. Alrighty. You still have a bird on your head?
Yes, and it sucks.
It sucks. Don't say that. That means he likes you. He's enjoying himself. He's just going through your hair.
Oh, ow, 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 ow. Okay. Yeah.
See, now he's gonna stand on your hand. You should have just left him alone.
Can you go away, please?
Who? Betty Bird. Hello.
Look at the camera.
Hey, Boogie.
The camera.
The birdie's out today. Do you see that?
What are you staring at me for? Ah!
Now that his psycho girlfriend's gone.
Hey.
Not you. Angel Wing. That's so funny. Alright, stop that. Stop. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.